Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete column in Excel in easy way. You can delete multiple columns at once. You can delete column or one by one, or if you want to delete consecutively columns, you can delete it. So before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't comment so below. So let's start with the video. So here, guys, you can see this is my demo data. Okay, you can see I'm going to work here. Okay, so if I want to delete the one one column, so I can just select the column on like don't select like this, just click on the later one like A and B. So I have to click on B. So in my case, I'm selecting B column, and just click right of your mouse button and find the delete. You can delete. After click delete, the column has been deleted now, and the C column has moved to B. Okay, so just undo. If I want to delete multiple columns in Excel, so just I have to click column, the first column, and just hold the right click left button of my mouse, and just scroll the column that you want to delete. If I want to delete three column, I have to select the three, and you don't need to count your column. You can see here, if you can see here, the 3C, the count, the Excel show you the count. Okay, so I have select three columns. So just click right and click delete, the all column will be delete, the multiple column will be delete. Okay, so there is a easy way how you can delete columns. So if you want to delete consecutive columns, if I want to delete B and D, so I don't want to delete C, so click on B, and now you have to hold the control button and click on D. So you can see the both column has been select. Just click any column, right click, and you can delete. So you can see uh, the both column has been deleted, and the data has shifted like D and D and E data has shifted to B and C. Okay, so if I undo it, you can see. Okay, so that is how you can delete columns in Excel in an easy way. You can delete multiple columns in Excel, or quickly you can delete quickly columns in Excel, and how you can manage the columns in Excel. In order, if you want to see how to rename the columns, sorry, how to insert a new columns, how to manage your columns in Excel, you have to check our previous video. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel.